How to insert film into your Kodak H35 camera. First, open up the back like this, get your film, pull out the leader, just about that much. Make sure the film is sitting in there like that, and then just slide in the film leader like so, and then make sure it advances. One click, close it, make sure it's closed. Do not open this again. Now what we'll do is we'll fire it once, advance, fire, advance, fire, and advance fire. And now, after 4 shots, we're ready to go. Now, why do we fire 4 times? Well, that's to make sure that our final shot, our first shot, is clear and there's no exposure from light. If light gets on the film, it's ruined in the first 4 shots or so. First one is immediately fully exposed. Second one, about half. And I find the next 2 are mildly exposed. There is some light leakage on them, but it's not so bad. But you want to make sure that your film is completely unexposed before you start firing. So that's that. Happy shooting. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, you know the drill. And be sure to check out some of my other videos. I'm a new channel and can use all the help I can get. See you next time.